Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. Today I have MCQs with respect to international economics for TYBA students. So let's get started. The first MCQ is India has been a member of World Trade Organization since the first option is January 1995, second is February 1995, third is March 1995 and the last is none of the above. So here the correct answer is it is the member of WTO since January 1995. Let us now look at the next question. The agreement on agriculture relates to what? It relates to giving market access, relates to reducing export subsidies, relates to reducing government subsidies, and all of the above. So here the correct answer is all of the above. The agreement on agriculture is talking about giving market access as well as reducing the export subsidies as well as reducing the government subsidies. So this is the correct answer, which is all of the above. Let us now look into the next question, which is talking about the recent development of India with respect to WTO, and the options are ban on Chinese food, the next option is ban on Chinese mobile applications, C is ban on Chinese people, and then D is none of the above. So here the correct option is ban on Chinese mobile applications. So this is the most recent development which has happened between or related to India and WTO. Let us now look at the next question, which is what led to the formation of General Agreement on Trade and Tariff, which is popularly known as GATT, G-A-T-T. So what led to the formation of this? Whether it was the Bretton Woods Conference, whether it was the United Nations Conference, whether it was the Shangri-La Agreement, or none of the above. So here the correct answer is the Bretton Woods Conference in 1944, which led to the formation of GATT. So this is the correct answer. Let us now look at the next MCQ which I have for you here. Marrakesh Agreement led to the establishment of what? Marrakesh Agreement led to the establishment of what? This was a culmination of the discussions which had happened, and this resulted into Marrakesh Agreement, which led to the formation of whether it is ITO, whether it is WTO, whether it is IMF, or none of the above. So here the correct answer is WTO. Marrakesh Agreement led to the establishment of WTO. Let us now look at the next question, which is asking us whether this is true or false with respect to a statement. Now let's see what is the statement. WTO is a UN specialized agency. Now we have to guess whether we have to answer whether it is the statement is true or false. So the first option is it is true, that is WTO is a specialized agency of the United Nations. B, false, it is not. C, I can't say, and D is none of the above. So here the correct answer is WTO is not a UN specialized agency. So therefore this is false. It is not a specialized agency of the United Nations. Let us now look at the next question. The EXIM policy, that is export import policy, or the foreign trade policy for the years 2015 to 20 aims at doubling the overseas sales to $1 billion by 2019-2020. So whether it is $1 billion, whether it is $10 billion, whether it is $100 billion, or it is $900 billion. So obviously when it is trade per se, it is going to be at least in 3 digits. So these two options are ruled out. The next are 100 and 900 billion. So obviously it is 900 billions, and therefore that is the correct answer. Let us now look at the last question which I have for you. The question is about what is the long form of MEIS. So whether it is merchandise exports from India scheme, whether it is merchandise examination from India scheme, whether it is milk exports from India scheme, or none of the above. So here the long form of MEIS is merchandise exports from India scheme, which is option A. So I hope the idea of MCQs is pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. Thank you.